I'm walking outside right now to get in fresh air. Nobody's around me. I think people already sleep this time. It's already around almost 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. And I'm just recording myself here so that I can speak out loud. Just started anything you want to create, and first time it will seems messy, making a lot of mistake. But the most important thing is to getting consistent first. We gonna learning to improving the weakness that we create, like learning by doing and keep improving. Sometimes we feel I I don't feel I'm good enough to doing this. We do have our self doubt and afraid of what's gonna people think about me if I'm doing this, blah 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 blah, like overthinking. But I'm just keep telling myself and remind myself to focus on my plan, my goal. It's a cat.